Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, and Will. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a fire weather watch, which is in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. Affected area: Lake-In, Porter, Winnebago, Boone, McHenry, Lake, Illinois, Odell, Lee, Newton, DeKalb, Jasper, Kane, DuPage, Cook, LaSalle, Benton, Kendall, Grundy, Will, Kankakee, Livingston, Iroquois, and Ford counties. Timing: Wednesday afternoon. Winds, southwest 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Relative humidity, as low as 20%. Impacts: dry fuels, low relative humidity, and strong winds will create conditions favorable for the rapid spread of wildfires. A fire weather watch means that critical fire weather conditions are forecast to occur. Listen for later forecasts and possible red flag warnings.